Hello team, welcome to QuipoIn. In previous class we will discuss about a table tag in a HTML. In today's video we will discuss about a lists in a HTML. The lists are used to represent an item sequentially in a HTML. There are three types of lists are used in a HTML. That is ordered list, unordered list and a description list. This is about a definition of lists. Okay, next is a syntax. In syntax, the list items are represented by using a li tag. Inside that, list items are represented. Okay. Now, we will discuss about a ordered list in a HTML. In HTML, the ordered list or a numbered list. These are used to display the elements in a number format. Okay. Next is a syntax. The OL tag is used to represent a ordered list. Inside this, the LI tag is used for representing the list elements. Okay, next we will discuss about an example of a ordered list with a VS Code. Here I am using a OL tag for a ordered list. Inside that I am using a LI tag for a list elements. I am using a HTML, CSS. Next is a JavaScript. Now save this and open it in a web browser. Here we got a list items with the number format. Here there are different types of a numbered list. That is numeric number. Here we represented it. Here numeric number. Next is a capital Roman number, small Roman number, capital alphabet and small alphabet. If you want to represent a list element in a capital Roman number, then we should give a, here we should use a type attribute. Inside that we should give a, here if you want to give a capital Roman, then we should give a capital I. Now save this. Now we got a list items with a capital Roman number. Okay. For a small Roman, we should use a small I. Here we got a small Roman number. Next is a capital alphabets. For that we should use a capital A. Now save this. Here we got a items with a capital alphabet. For a small alphabet, we should use a small a. Now save this. Now we got a elements with a small alphabet. Okay. This is all about a ordered list in a HTML. Next is a unordered list in a HTML. HTML unordered list or a bulleted list display the element in a bullet format. We can use unordered list where we do not need to display items in any particular format. Here next, this is about a definition of a unordered list. Next is a syntax. The unordered list is represented by using a UL tag and the list items are represented by using a LI tag. Next is an example. We will discuss the example of a unordered list with a VS Code. Inside this, I am giving UL tag for a unordered list. For list items, I am giving a LI tag. Okay, I am giving HTML. Next is a CSS. Next is a JavaScript. Now save this. Open it in a web browser. Here we got a list items in a bullet format. There are 4 ways to represent a unordered list. That is a disk, circle, square and a none. Here disk, this is a default style. In this style, the list items are marked with a bullet. Here it is marked with a bullet in a disk type. If you want to represent items in a circle format, then we should use a type is equals to circle. Here we got a circle. If we want to represent a list items in a square format, now here we got the square. Next is a none. Here in this style, the list items are not marked. Here the list items are not marked in a none style. This is all about a unordered list in a HTML. Next we will discuss about a description list in a HTML. The HTML description list or a definition list, it will display the element in a definition form like in a dictionary. Next is a syntax. Here it is consist of a DL, DT and a DD tags. DL, DT and a DD tags are used to define the description list. Inside this, the DL tag represent a description list. Next is a DT. DT will defines a data item, and next is a DD. DD will defines a data definition. Let's discuss about a description list in a VS Code. Here for that description list we should use a DL tag first for the description list. Next is a DT tag is used for a data item, that is I am giving a HTML, that is data item. Next it is consist of a DD tag, nothing but a definition or a description. I am giving a description as a programming language. Here now save this, open it. Here the elements are displayed in a definition format like a dictionary. This is all about a description tag in a HTML. In next class we will discuss about a div tag in a HTML. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Java full stack, you can visit our website, follow our website, that is QuipoIn.com. Thank you.